So now, in order to finalize the presentation, we'll give you a brief introduction of the software products and how they are being adopted and what they actually do. And as you can see on this slide, banks are currently using blockchain technology for payments through Ripple. Banks are already starting to use it still on proof of concept and experimentation phases, and smart contract financial platforms such as Corda or Fabric. And they are making use of them for specific use cases on trade finance and capital market securities and derivatives. And as these platforms mature over time, develop interfaces, frameworks, applications built on top of them, and they continue to grow, this will become seamless, and this type of assets, which are all kinds of financial contracts and beyond, will be seamlessly integrated with the money networks of today, and through applications and third parties, and particularly relevant here is PSD2, that is regulating the industry on this direction, will enable any kind of institution that wants to make use of this financial infrastructure being blockchain and distributed layer platforms being adopted by banks, to make use of them and to build solutions on top of them.
How quickly do you think we'll see this coming to be put into place?
Yeah, as I was saying, with Ripple it's already happening, and currently there are about 100 banks moving to full production. Some of them already are. And with the other platforms for more complex use cases, it will take probably a couple of years until we see the first production-ready implementations for, initially I would say, simple products on trade finance such as letters of credit, and from there it will expand to more complex use cases in capital markets as well. And different platforms will have different adoption speed, but it will happen, and we are already seeing a strong traction. Yeah, so that's why for us, partnerships with these software companies creating these distributed layer solutions are key, and we want to become the best technology partners and system integrators in the market in order to make that adoption happen. We already work with many financial institutions and other industries on infrastructure transformation projects, and blockchain is going to be a key enabler here of frictionless and efficient transactional network. So that's why for us, blockchain is an important technology, and we want to be at the center of its evolution and its adoption on the market.
I think importantly, from an NTT perspective, we have a global focus. The NTT Group is a very large global organization today, and we're very interested with our heritage from Japan in terms of operating the payment systems and financial markets in Japan, to really start to provide the platforms that are going to enable these emerging organizations and standards to operate on a more global scale. So we built out extensive cloud capabilities around the world, and are talking closely at how we can enable and fast track some of these organizations to be able to get the global reach and be able to start to create a pervasive new way of operating payments on a global scale.